Okay, here's your how-to guide to get this to connect to this using this. Right, so basically you bought your DJI mini drone, you've seen a set of DJI V1 goggles, and you think, oh yeah, I'll get them. It's like 150 quid, second hand, happy days. Yeah, to fly like this. Oh, this is brilliant, this FPV. It's not proper FPV, but it is a first person view. So what do you need to get all this done? Dead easy. Amazon Fire Stick. Readily available, fairly cheap. What did I get this one for? 20 quid. It's 1080. That's all you need. And while you're on Amazon buying this, get yourself one of these as well. It's HDMI to HDMI, female to female connector. You'll need one of these. Oh, and you're bound to have a power bank lying around. Step 1, Amazon Fire Stick. Plug in HDMI female to female adapter, which will give you a female adapter on that side of it, which you need to plug in the cable for the goggles. Now you should already get one of these with the goggles. It's HDMI to micro. It's micro HDMI. You should get one of these with the goggles. So that gets plugged into there, like so. Other end goes into the jack on the side of the goggles and power them on. I forgot how amazing these are. Once it's booted up, use your touch screen on the side to go up to the suitcase menu. Tap that, scroll across to HDMI input. That's got the goggles on HDMI input now. So then, power on the Fire Stick by plugging your power bank into the side. That way around. That'll power on the Fire Stick. And you'll be able to see everything from the Fire Stick through the goggles. You probably won't be able to see it there. There you go. Fire TV. It's going up through there. There's your main menu. So slap them over your face. Then grab the remote control that you get with the Fire Stick. And this is the important part. It will say home screen is currently unavailable. Go to network settings. Don't mess about with that. All you need to do is hold down the home button on the remote for 2 seconds. Hold that down. You'll get a little menu come up. It'll be on profiles. Go past apps, sleep, to mirroring. Select. Then you'll see this screen. Take the goggles off. Grab your phoneo on your controller-o. Go down into the settings. You'll see wireless projection. Hit your wireless projection. Switch it on. And it'll search for devices it can connect to. And there's the Fire Stick. Now you've got that selected, everything that comes through this will be projected onto the big screen in the goggles. So then you just go into your DJI Fly App, launch that up, make sure you got your spotter there. Hello, hello spotter, hi. So as long as your spotter can see your aircraft, maintaining all the rules and regulations of VLOS, and can communicate to me if there's an issue, I'm quite happy to fly with the goggles. So there you go. Easy as that. Any questions? Stick them down in the comments. Don't you dare like this video or subscribe to this channel, because I'll be really, really annoyed with you. Thanks for watching, and I'm going out to fly. When I've put some pants on.